Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you a bag that I just got from Prada. It's a little something that I've seen around social media, and it actually looks very cute, but I don't know why it took this long to step into the store and to try the bag. And I went in a few times to take a look at the colors because there's a lot of colors for this style. I even saw white, but they didn't come in this particular model. So let me show you what they have in stores. Okay, so ultimately I went with this, and this is the beige one that I got. I mean, it's called a nude or the beige, I don't know what do they call it. And it comes with a dust bag and a card. Ultimately, I went for this style instead of like the crossbody or like the nylon strap one, is because like this one, it's simple and it fits under the arm, unlike the nylon one. You see, this fits like perfect. I really like the interior as well. It's just very spacious and roomy. You can like fit a lot of stuff inside, and it's great for like a Sunday brunch, and you just slip it on and go. So let me show you the close-up of this bag. The heartburns are very beautiful, and it's just a very simple and beautiful bag. Okay, let me show you how this looks on me. And that's all for today. So I'm about to go for my lunch, so I'll catch you soon later.